Hi, this is Dave Coleman. Today, most major repair stations are operating near capacity due to a shortage of skilled technicians and hangar space. Shops are reliant upon overtime and careful hangar planning to accommodate demand. When weather permits, some MROs are performing light maintenance and final delivery checks on the ramp, but again, only in good weather. The MRO slot issue is getting worse because of our industry's shift towards large cabin aircraft in the last 20 years. This translates into a shortage of capacity to accommodate all the first, second, and even third sets of heavy checks these large cabin aircraft require. In addition, as these aircraft age, the supply chain for parts and materials to support these aircraft has been strained, leading to long lead times for component repair and replacement. For those thinking about purchasing a mid to large cabin aircraft, this capacity problem may mean a delay in finding a repair station and commencing a pre-buy inspection once a deal is struck. Coming face to face with this lack of MRO capacity has caused more than a few deals to come apart. If you're giving some thought to selling or moving up from your current aircraft, consider that any retail buyer will demand a pre-buy inspection. In that case, having an MRO pre-buy slot reserved with a reputable repair station might be just the enticement a buyer will need to select your aircraft over other candidates. But what if you can't find a buyer in time? Well, first, if you've done your homework, correctly planned the marketing of your aircraft, and priced your aircraft appropriately, the risk of this happening is limited. Secondly, most repair stations will allow you to reschedule and apply the slot deposit to a future shop visit. An additional advantage of reserving a pre-buy slot is that you are controlling the time, place, and manner in which your aircraft is being inspected. Not only that, having control over the scope of the inspection and the methods in which the discrepancies can be rectified will limit your overall exposure. Even if the sale of the aircraft is not timed perfectly, a pre-buy inspection has just been accomplished, and the resulting inspection report can be used to trigger a potential buyer to close on your aircraft quickly. If you're curious about this sales strategy, please call me to discuss the specifics. I'm Dave Coleman. Thanks for watching.